Welcome to this short video, where we'll explore what a business process is, how it's managed, and why it plays a critical role in the success of organizations. What is a business process? A business process is a collection of related activities that, when carried out in a specific sequence, deliver a service or product to a customer, fulfilling a well-defined business objective. For a process to be considered structured, it must be clear, easy to follow, and allow bottlenecks to be identified. Process management and tools. Business process management, or BPM, is the discipline focused on optimizing organizational processes to increase efficiency and performance. We use tools like BPMN diagrams to model activities, and BPMS software to design, run, and monitor every stage of the process lifecycle. In addition, we rely on automation solutions like RPA, which allow software robots to handle repetitive tasks, freeing up time for human talent to focus on higher value work. Survey and documentation. To implement a process effectively, it's essential to document each activity. Who starts the process? What activities does it include? Which reports and key indicators are required? The interfaces or screens should also be clearly defined, indicating mandatory fields, read-only ones, and those visible only to specific user roles. In summary, efficient process management is essential for achieving organizational goals. Remember, a good process is clear, well-structured, and easy to monitor. Thanks for joining us.